Hey guys, this is the Venkateshwarlu from Sandeep English World. In today's video, you are going to learn about some more common errors. The very first example, both did not attend the meeting. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is neither of them attended the meeting. When we are referring to two persons, we have to use neither, particularly to refer to the negative sense. Next example. Here is the cup, please fill. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is here is the cup, please fill it. The reason is the verb fill is used as a transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that is followed by the object. So we have to use the object after the verb fill. Next, we enjoyed during the holidays. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is we enjoyed ourselves during the holidays. The reason is the verb enjoy is a transitive verb. It is always followed by the object. In the given sentence, the verb enjoyed is followed by a preposition, that is during. So as there is no object in the given sentence, we have to create the object depending upon the subject. As the subject here is we have to use the right object, that is ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves. If the subject is they, we have to use themselves. For example, if the pronoun is I, the reflexive form for that is myself. And if the pronoun is we, the reflexive form for that is ourselves. You, yourself or yourselves. If the subject is he, we have to use himself. If the subject is she, herself. It, itself, they, themselves. Depending upon the subject, we have to use the right reflexive form which acts as an object. Next, I availed the opportunity. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is I availed myself of the opportunity. The reason is the verb avail is always followed by the reflexive pronoun plus of. If the subject is I, we have to use myself. If the subject is he availed himself of. The subject is she availed herself of. They availed themselves of. In such a way, we have to use the expression. Next, is he coming? Yes, I think. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is he coming? Yes, I think so. And if we do not use the word so here, the meaning seems to be somewhat vague. So we have to use yes, I think so. Next, Reddy and myself went there. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is Reddy and I went there. The reason is we should never use myself, ourselves, himself, herself like that as the subject. It can be used as an object, but it cannot be used as a subject. So in place of myself, we have to use I. Reddy and I went there. Next, who did this? Myself. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is who did this? I. The reason is that I can be used as a subject, whereas myself can never be used as a subject. Next example. Any one of these two boys are sent for training. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is either of these boys is sent for training. When we are referring to two persons, we have to use either of the boys, either of the girls, like that. We should not say any one of these two boys, like that. As we are referring to two particularly in a positive sense, we have to use either. Either of these boys is sent for training. Next expression. The next example. Every woman raised their hands. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is every woman raised her hand. The reason is here the subject is every woman. When the subject is every woman and it acts as an antecedent to the word her, in the sense that every woman raised her hand, and we should not use a plural like their hands. Next example. She with her friends went to a film. It's a wrong expression. The right expression is she went to a film with her friends. The reason is the subject is generally followed by a verb in English. She went to a film with her friends. With her friends, it is a phrase, and the phrase should be used at the end of the sentence in general. And that's the end of the topic. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends and relatives, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Happy learning.